You have been studying Spanish for a while now. You know a lot of words. You can understand conversations in Spanish when people speak slowly. You can read articles and get the main idea. But when it is your turn to speak, you freeze. And those words that you know very well when you are reading, they disappear. You want to express a complex idea, but what you say is very simple. And the worst part, that you know you can do better. You can feel it, but you are stuck in the intermediate B1 level, and you don't know how to break through. If this sounds like you, keep watching. Today I'm gonna show you what's exactly on the other side of this plateau and how to get there. Let's talk about what B2 Plus really means. This is not just a label or a test score. At B2 Plus, you will be able to talk about deep topics: politics, philosophy, your career goals, cultural differences, not just surface level small talks. You can express nuanced opinions. You just don't say, I like it or I don't like it. You will be able to say why, give examples, and make arguments. The words flow naturally. You are not constantly thinking or pausing to think, how should I say this or how do I say this in Spanish? But instead, the right words will come to you when you need them. Also, you can listen to native speakers at their normal speed in podcasts, meetings, or in real conversations, and actually understanding what they are saying without getting lost. This is the level where Spanish becomes functional. You can use it for work, for relationships, for living in a Spanish-speaking country. That's what we are talking about. SPANISHSMASH Bootcamp is not just a test. It's about real and functional fluency. Okay, so let me tell you why you are stuck. And the truth is that most intermediate learners, they continue learning like if they were in the beginner level. You are consuming, listening, reading, watching videos. And that's good, that's okay, I actually recommend it. But that's good for a passive knowledge. But speaking at a B2 plus level, it requires practice. A lot of practice. But also with accountability, with feedback, with guidance to know what you exactly need. The gap between B1 and B2 plus is not just more information in your brain. It's practice, it's feedback, it's consistency. It's having a clear roadmap to know exactly what to work on. And that's why we created SPANISHSMASH Bootcamp. It's a 6-month program designed specifically to take you from B1 to B2 plus conversational fluency. You'll practice speaking at least 5 times per week. You will have access to a Spanish speaking feedback platform called SPANISHSMASH that will tell you your vocabulary gaps, what you need to fix, and how to be more coherent with your Spanish. You'll join live workshops 3 times a week about specific topics to master Spanish, and you will get weekly one-on-one sessions to practice speaking with real people. You will be in a very small group of just 25 people where you will get guided and independent activities as well. This isn't passive. You will need between 12 to 15 hours per week, but here's what that gets you. In 6 months, you will be able to have deep conversations without translating in your mind what you want to say. You will listen to a Spanish podcast and understand what they are saying. You will be confident speaking to Spanish natives because the words will flow naturally. That's what functional B2 plus fluency feels like. And that's what we are going to help you achieve. Probably you are thinking, oh, I've tried many programs before. I've tried many methods before. But here's our guarantee. If you complete the program, attend the workshops, do the practice, stay committed, and you don't reach B2 plus level, we'll give you 100% of your money back. We are that confident in this method. Nothing to lose and a lot to gain. We start on January 3rd and we only have 25 spots. Yeah, 25 because we want it to be intentionally small so it can be more personalized. But if you register before December 1st, you will get a special prize. What did you have to do? Okay, number 1, take the free test. This is a free placement test to see if you qualify. It takes about 20 minutes. And the link is in the description below. So if you really want to break through that plateau and if you want to make a change for 2026, this is your opportunity. Well, see you in January 3rd.